Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how you can find dropshipping competitor for Shopify. Now, finding your dropshipping competitor and understanding the competitive landscape is crucial for your business. Here's how you can find a dropshipping competitor and Shopify competition. Now, first of all, you can use the online marketplace and directories for products to what you plan on selling on popular online marketing like Amazon, eBay, and AliExpress. Take a note of a top seller and their product offerings. Apart from it, you can also use the Google search. Now, conduct a Google search using relevant keywords and related to your niche. This can help you discover an e-commerce stores that are actively selling similar products. Also use the social media app like Facebook, and Pinterest to search and hashtag related to your product. Offer dropshipping and e-commerce business promote the products on this platform. Now, if you're suspecting that your competitor are using Shopify as their e-commerce platform, check the Shopify App Store. Many stores use Shopify app for various functionings and e-commerce. Now, if you're using a dropshipping suppliers, they might also provide information about their business and use the services. Check with the suppliers for instance. Now, remember that competitor is a natural part of your business landscape. Your goal is not only to identify competitor, but also to understand the strength and weakness. So these were the steps on how you can find dropshipping competitor for your Shopify app. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.